Hi guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Vidnoz subscription, Vidnoz AI subscription. So all of these steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in, you need to click on your profile icon at the left side, top side of the left, and when you click on this option, it will pop up a new window, this kind of window, and you can select subscription. And once you select subscription, you will see there is an options like lots of options which plan you have. You can choose your plan and you can cancel your plan very easily on this window. Okay, and if you want to know like what is your billing information, you can also choose your billing information, and you can also see usage plans. Okay, how many plans, or you can like how much credits you have used. Okay, so these are the options, and by using this method you can easily cancel your Vidnoz AI account. So if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.